Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Threads. If we go here to settings, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Threads and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.